Okay, so for this one, I'm gonna have to fix the animation kasi for now, when I try to run, the animation just keeps running. Go left, go right, it's always running right, up, always running up, so down, always running down. So we're gonna have to fix that. Once na mag-stop tayo ng mag-move, pabalik siya sa idle state niya. But facing also the right direction. When I go right, then when I stop moving right, faces right direction, and then just do the idle right animation. Okay, so let's go back to player, to script. So let's take a look at this animated sprite. So we have idle back. We also have idle front, left, and also right. To use this by enum. Okay, so go to the script. So first off, gagawa tayo ng enum. I'll name this direction. Let's add left, then right, up, down. Okay. Okay, so if di mo pa alam kung paano gamitin yung enum, I suggest to look up a video right here. I think I'm gonna put it right down in the description for a very explained enum and how to use enums. Then you have to make a variable named walking. This will be a flag or a boolean. Okay, walking was to false, and then also a variable for direction. So let's name it dire and direction that say down. Okay. Okay, so this is the main handler of our animation and movement. So first off is we're gonna add an else statement here and just change the walking to false. Okay, this flag here. Right below this statement, we're gonna change the walking flag into true. So right here, walking would be true. Okay, then change the direction for this equals direction left. Okay, so this one will be just leave it at left because nafi-flip nga lang din naman siya. Flip yung flip sprite, so pwede nang left na rin, pwede na rin right, gawin na rin natin right. Okay, right here for the up and down, let's do down, this one will be up. Also set the walking in this statement into true. Okay, so flag yan. Okay, okay, I think this is set up. Below this code, this entire code, is gagawa ka ng if not walking, then check siya if direction is equal to direction left, then animated sprite okay, idle left. Okay, then do an elif statement. Just copy this code here. Direction would be right. Then play the idle right. Okay. Copy this elif here. Do a direction is down. The idle animation will be down. Okay. Or wait, not down. Di down yun. Front. Yeah, front. So front. If we're facing up, be idle showing the backside of the player. Okay. Okay, let's test that out. Testing lang natin if okay, stop nga siya. Okay, medyo may bug dun. Okay. Left, right, or wait. Tad siya. Ay, hindi. Okay. Return done. Oh, okay. So, naka-flip pala dito. Okay, so, this should be right. This should be left. Okay. Oh, go. Flip nga. Naka-flip nga pala. So, gawin na lang natin left to. Since naka-flip lang din naman. Okay. Okay. It's good. It's done now. Running right. Then if I stop moving, it goes idling to the right side. And if I go left and I stop, it goes idling to the left side, facing the left side. Okay. Same as the up and going down. Okay, so by the way, you can definitely do this using animation 3. Pwede mo siyang gawin sa via animation 3 right here using this, but that would require an animation player too. Need mo tong dalawa, and then pero in this example gusto ko lang talaga siyang i-code, pero definitely you can do this with animation 3. Gusto ko lang talaga siyang gawin via code using enums and flags like this one. So yep,